Here we have the all-new 2021 Nissan Rogue SV. And this one comes in the pearl white tricoat on charcoal cloth interior. And the powertrain consists of a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, made it to a CVT. And that pearl white just looks fantastic with the sunset. And there's the front end there. LED headlamps and LED daytime running lights. And then over here, you have your 18-inch aluminum wheels. You have passive keyless entry on all four doors. And here are the controls for your power door locks, windows, and mirrors. There's your power driver's seat with power lumbar support. Gonna step in here. And really good leg room back here. Have plenty of space. And I'm 6'3" and I have space in the seat in front of me and the seat here. So really great. And over here, you have a little clothes hanger here. You can either use this hook or you can use the bar here as well. And you have two AC vents. And then you also have a USB-C and a USB charger down here. And there's a view of the front from the rear seat. And next, let's go ahead and check out the cargo space. And there's the rear end there. And there's your trunk space. You have plenty of it. And to fold the seats down, you just pull up on this here, and those seats will fold flat. And then you have even more cargo space. And there's your passenger seat there. Now let's check out that 2.5-liter four-cylinder. And there's the engine for the Rogue. Gonna hop in here. There's a steering wheel. Feels really nice. I like the shape of it as well. But over here, you have your AM, FM, XM radio along with Bluetooth audio. And there's your backup camera with the 360 monitor. And there's your home screen there. And then you can adjust the brightness for daytime or automatic based on what time of day it is. And then down here, you have dual zone automatic climate controls. And you also have a USB-C and USB charging port. And there's your push button start there. And over here you have your shifter. And to use that, press this button on the side, push down for drive, up for reverse, and then you press P for park. And then you have your electronic parking brake here. You pull up to engage, and then push down to disengage. And then you can toggle your brake hold here. And then you have 3 driving modes: Eco, Standard, and Sport. And then you have plenty of space in your center console cubby here. And there's a view of the back. And over here, there's your glove compartment. Plenty of space in there as well. And over here you have your volume controls, your trackless controls, then your gauge cluster controls here. And then on this side, you have your cruise controls. And you can adjust the gap here. And then your Bluetooth controls over here. And we're going to test out these paddle shifters as well. And finally, there's your key fob with remote start. So next it's time to go ahead and take this Rogue SV out on the road for a test drive. So far, really good acceleration coming out of the parking lot without having to rev the engine high. And that's one of the best things about the CVTs in these Nissans and the naturally aspirated 2.5 liter. They pair really well together. And so far going through town, it's very maneuverable. I don't feel like I'm driving anything overly big, just a normal car. But the space in here is just incredible. It's so open in the cabin. Very good visibility. Just a really big improvement over the outgoing Rogue. And the steering assist is really great too. And I've said this in many of my other test drives, but Nissan has one of the best steering assists out there. But just a really good ride going through town. It feels right, it really does. Just everything about this Rogue. Gonna give it a little throttle here. And keep in mind, that's just in standard mode, so we're gonna put it in sport mode and see how it does there. And I think we're gonna use the paddles as well. Wow, that's impressive. That really is. Just really quick off the line, and it's not turbo, but it almost feels kind of turbo, because when you get in the higher RPM range, you really start to feel the horsepower. And I really like how they did the LED headlamps. They really are extremely helpful. It's really bright, really crisp, really clean, but not overpowering. And they really do shine at night. So we're gonna go ahead and take it on the interstate now. So still very fast in standard mode. And that's the adaptive cruise, keeping a safe distance between myself and this truck in front of me. Even though I have it set on 78, I'm doing about 70. And then as I decrease the gap, it'll inch a little bit closer. But as we come to an end of my review, the 2021 Nissan Rogue SV is definitely on the map. And that's my review of the 2021 Nissan Rogue SV.